What's up, Percy family? Today, well, we're not really gonna do something like that. I think 2 accounts, so I can sit on accounts. Okay, guys. Today, we're not gonna really do like a challenge or like a piano thing right now, but we actually are. So if you didn't know, well, we kind of are. If you didn't know, we actually do not have a play button, any of them, because I just have 8 subscribers. And I'm just gonna make my own. And I think I'm gonna make a 1 subscriber play button, which is really easy. And then a 5 subscriber play button. And once I get 2 more subscribers, I am going to do the 10 play button. Then I need 10 more, 20 play button. But that's not gonna be for that. I'm only gonna do the 1 play button and the 5 play button. Let's do it. I'm gonna go get my paper so I can do it. Okay, I'm at the office. I'm gonna get my paper. Paper. Oink. Google. Timer. Don't worry about that. Okay. That's how to go off. Okay. Meg, can you turn that down, please? Okay. Let's do it. First, the 1 subscriber. It's gonna be this play button.
Hey Google.
Okay. I need to go get my markers. It's gonna be a white one. Wait a minute. No. I'm gonna do no color, so I'm gonna do a blue play button. Okay, that's for the 5. I'm gonna do a red play button for that one. Okay, we red. Let's see here. Red. Okay. Let's go to here, and we need to outline it. I'm going to the outline. Let's see here. I'm going to use a dry erase marker, but I didn't. Time to draw. I'll show you once I get it, because I don't really know how to. I'm not a very good YouTuber. It's kind of hard. You guys notice the black part in my eye? That's where you see. And if it's not any, you can try to do this to you, so you can see that sometimes I'm looking at myself, not in there. That's why I'm bad. The button is through for the camera. Okay, time to put it on. Huh. Oh no, I did bad. I'll flip it over. Huh? Okay.
Show the camera, I want you to. Can you show the camera the puzzle glow in the dark?
I don't matter you. Okay, I'm gonna do a red play button.
So
cool. 1 I B E R. I'm gonna delete the S because I don't. That's subscribers. I'm gonna make it red now. Time to do it. Wait a minute. First, this is how it turns out right now. Let me show you it. This is it right now. Right now, that's it. You guys can kind of see the background, but it actually doesn't really look like that. It's actually just the black part lines in that red spot. It says 1 subscriber right there. Okay, now keep drawing. And if you see that outline, I think it's only because I'm holding it up, but it actually doesn't look like that. This is what it actually was. That was just a mistake. So I'm just gonna keep drawing. I'll show you when I'm finished. This is gonna take a while, I bet. I don't know. I could try to do an edit to see if I can do that. I don't know. Ooh, it almost got in the lines. That's hard. Sometimes it's kind of hard to draw on a play button. If you want to do it. And if you have a play button, then subscribe. Because I need a lot. I need just 2 more. 2 people, please subscribe. I'll make my 5 one after this one. And I don't need to make my 100 and 1,000 one because YouTube already has those, so I'm going to do it. I don't have a lot. I just have 8 subscribers. Please subscribe. Please. I draw in the lines. Okay. I don't want to really draw a mistake line. I did it again. Draw the lines again. It's going to be a little hard to do. Beep. Okay. We're still on. Okay. Yeah. I want to edit, but I can't. So. Guys, can you see me? There we go. That's better. The sunlight is going bad. It should be lighter, not darker. Whoa. I'm almost finished with it. You guys want to see it now? Oh, yeah. I'm almost done. And I'm showing the camera so I don't see the background. Oh, my mistake. This is it. Wait a minute, I can't really see it. Okay, that's it. My play button. 1 subscriber. I have to say it's YouTube. I have to say it's YouTube. 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 Yay. Okay. Now we need to do my 5 subscribe play button. It's in blue. So I'm gonna get my red out of here. Okay. Now I need to outline my thing. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, it's black. I can see the black. Do I want it out to be? No. I'm gonna do right there. Okay, time to draw. Boink, boink, boink. Okay, there we go. Now I need my thing. And now I need to say it's 5 SUB sub or ERs YOUTUBE. And subscribe, we'll do a part 2. And we will. Okay, let's see. That I need to do in. Ooh. Ooh. I'm doing it. I have the outline. I'm outlining. Ooh, that was so close. I almost got it out of the edge. Yeah. There we go. Yay, I did it! Ta-da! 5 and my 1. Play button! And that's the end of this video. I'm tired right choices. This minute and 0 seconds. I'm entitled to that, so sometimes I'm not going to be talking. And remember, keep eating those Hershey chocolates. Bye. Peace.